Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. In today's video, I want to talk to you about making more money on YouTube using Tubics. Tubics is a platform which helps you SEO effectively on your YouTube channel. If you're a first-time visitor, please subscribe to our channel. Also, reach over there and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. Also, I'd like to remind you that if you're like me in your early stages, or if you've been trying to do this for years with no success, which is where I was at, and you're looking for some solid direction and how to build a business online today from your own home where you can make money and have a business that you're proud of, then finally we have the answer for you. Down in the description, click the link down in the description for free great tips on how to make money online. So without waiting any further, let's move on into today's video subject, how to make money on YouTube using Tubics. What I want to do is I want to show you a way using Tubics to make more money with YouTube. And what we're going to look at is we're going to look at the tool of Tubics. We're going to sign into it. I'm going to show you through the dashboard. The key to Tubics that I've found is that it is a great SEO, search engine optimization tool. And there are several different things that are in the dashboard that are available to you to use. And what I'm going to do in 3 different sections in this video is we're going to look in detail at the dashboard itself. I want to look at the A/B split testing part of this, which I think is excellent, which I haven't used to this point, but I've just set up a couple tests and you'll see that in the video. And the other thing is you can use it to check your competition and tags, especially tags and ranking and the optimization part. This part here, when you click on your video, I've found extremely useful in helping get better rankings to my videos on YouTube. And that's how you're going to make more money, is by getting more clicks and getting yourself in better position to be shown on YouTube in the positioning in the different areas that YouTube will show your videos. If you're better optimized, then you'll have more click-throughs, which will lead to more views, which will lead to being monetized, which will lead to more clicks to offers you're offering in your videos, and etc. So that's the attempt of this video. Let's move on now. We're going to look at the dashboard first, and then we'll look at split testing. And I also want to look at towards the end of the video, I'm going to introduce some pricing for Tubics right now. There's some special pricing and on a platform right now online for that too. So that's what we're looking at in the video. Let's move on to the actual review. So with Tubics, once you have purchased the product, you sign in, it's going to look like this. Now, yours may not look like this because this has been going on for a while and I've got a lot of stuff in here now. But there'll be the dashboard at the top. This is where we are right now. The dashboard will show your videos that you have on your channel, and you can go through each individual video and optimize it, and it gives you recommendations here of what you can optimize and how you can optimize it. This is where we are right now. We get the videos here, the rankings. I haven't used the rankings yet, but I can set in 200 keywords for the videos and see how they're ranking from week to week or whatever, however often I come back to check to see how it's going with them. That's it for the videos, for the rankings, tags. Now this is where you can find and generate tag ideas. If you're going to be publishing a new video, let's say how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, I would put that keyword in here and then hit this to see what kind of tags it generates. And then I could use that. In addition to that, I could do what I normally do, just go into the YouTube channel and search other competitors that are ranking well for that keyword and find out what tags and keywords they're going for and they're ranking for. That will help me figure out better what I need to put in for my tags. Video ideas. Again, you can put in keywords. It'll give you ideas. Again, give you keywords and key tags that are working well and are ranking well. And you can check them out further and analyze them, whatever your system is for analyzing, to figure out ideas for new videos. So that's a very good thing to have. Now, one of the key things they added this year that everybody really likes is the split testing. But they recommend that you do not split test in the first 72 hours after the video was published, because YouTube's still trying to figure out what to do with the video. Once that's done, you can set up an A/B, A/B, 2 different thumbnails for each video you have to find out which one gets a better CTR, click-through rate. And that way you have a better and best chance for a click-through on a video that you have published, or you can even take an older thumbnail and versus a new one and see if you improved it at all. But it's a great way to find out and improve your CTRs for your YouTube channel. That's something I really like. In competition, there's where you can track your competitor. If there's 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 different YouTube channels that you're directly competing with, you can set them up in here by the YouTube channel URL. And then you can set it up into a competition thing so you can be constantly monitoring them and how they're doing with things. And that way you'll spot new keywords, new video subjects, whatever that can give you a heads up and a leg forward, if you will, on ranking better for your channel itself and then ranking better in your competitors' situation against them as well. So if you look at the Tubics Dashboard, there's across the top here, we've got the videos, which we looked at, the rankings, which is basically we have to set up keywords in here, but you can set up any number of keywords. I do have a few of them set up in here. And then you can find out how they're ranking. You can also go here to optimize them. You can optimize the page. Like I was talking earlier, the thing I like about Tubics is the work is done here. If you have a VA, a virtual assistant, that's from somewhere else in the world, someone you don't really know personally, you don't have to give them your access to your YouTube channel, but they can do the work here in the Tubics platform and save the work for you. But we're going to go back to, that's the videos, the rankings, the tags, video ideas. We're going to look at A/B tests. Now this was something that, a year ago wasn't here at part of Tubics, but it is now. What I'm going to do is I've got a video I've prepared ahead of time. And we're going to find that and bring that up here. Now it's going to be this one here, so I'm going to click on this one here. Okay, so it says new A/B test. We're going to create an A/B. This is the one that is currently there. And we're going to upload thumbnail B, which when I look at, now to just put this one in here. This is the one that was in here before. This was in, and I did not have very good results over the months. So I loaded this one up. Now this one here, I'm going to change to another one that I created. This one here. Now the difference is the colors are a little bit different, and me in a shirt color is different. The backgrounds are a little bit different. I don't know if it'll make any difference at all. But we're going to get this started. Okay, so your test is currently in progress. These are the 2 thumbnails that they're going to now be testing which is really neat because we can take a look back at it. But you can do this with any of your videos. Any of your videos that you want to improve the performance of. You know, I've gone through, I've organized my videos just recently. And what I've done is I've set them up. I'm going to bring this over here so you can see it. I've got the number of video in the order it was published and like only 17 views on it. So I can take this URL, I can put it in and see which one it is, or here, take this title and bring it up in here. We could do this one here. Okay, so it's copied. And we'll just search for that video. And I'm just going to push enter. I'm going to bring this up. And this is going to be the video that I can then do an A/B test on. You can see as I took just a short beginning of the title in the A/B testing and pushed enter, and I get the video that I wanted. So we'll do a new test here. Now I don't have any more thumbnails set up for this, but what I'm going to do is we're going to pause the video and do it, and I'll walk through again. So we've got two new thumbnails we're going to add to this. We're going to see if this will add to the click-through rate. It will increase your views. I've got the amount of views I have right now. I'm going to download two new tests. I'm going to put one in here. And we got a couple different colors and a couple different layouts. There's one. Then we're going to look at the second one here real quick. We're going to add this one in. So there's two different ones. Now the wording says basically the same thing, but we'll see if the colors make any difference. So we're going to start the test. And that's as simple as it gets, but it's a good thing, and I've got these in here now that I can watch. It's a good way to help increase the click-through rates. Or find if the thumbnails just don't work, you can redo them. That's a very beneficial thing. So with the pricing for Tubics, what you're going to get, what's available right now is there is a $7.90 per month if you do it, pay it ahead for a year. Then it's $76 a year, or $7.90 per month. And then if you look at the pricing, otherwise there's two programs basically. There's a creator program, which is for normal YouTubers, people that use YouTube or Vimeo or any other video publishing service. But YouTube's mostly people that do that. The other one is for brands, which is $190 per month. Now, what you can do is, I have a plan here that I bought back in, I think in February of 2020, which was a lifetime plan. The lifetime plan at AppSumo is no longer available. However, there is a $49 per year buy codes. You can buy 1, 2, or 3 codes that is available. You can buy it and renew it each year for $49 per year. And as I just showed you, that was what, $76 if you pay for it for a year. So that's about $27 savings right there, which is pretty cool. So there'll be a link for that down in the description, and it's an affiliate link of mine. I appreciate you supporting our channel. Anyway, the pricing for Tubics, if you buy a single code, is $49. If you buy 2 codes, it's $98. And then we're at $147 for triple code. Now the difference is going to be, as we highlight here, all the features that are available in Tubics, all the features that are available in Tubics in my account are available to me to be renewed at $49 per year. If I only have 5 or less YouTube channels, and I can change them out as I want. If I'm getting rid of a channel, I can, take that off of my 5-channel list and add someone to it, which is pretty nice to be able to do that. It's not like I'm signed up for 5 and it's just all I'm stuck with. And if I get rid of the channel, so what? You only have 4 that you can use. That doesn't work that way. So then the other thing is, the thing I like about Tubics is that you can optimize unlimited videos in the time span of the year, and it'll track up to 200 keywords per channel. So if I have 5 channels that I own and I'm managing, I can do up to 1,000 keywords each month. It's basically 200 keywords for each channel per month that it will track, month, 6 months, year, whatever the case might be. Multiple codes. If you need to go up to 10 channels, buy 2 codes for $98. Buy 2 codes for $98. You get 10 YouTube channels, unlimited videos again. You can track up to 250 words, 2,500. It's 10, not 5. The other one is you go 15 YouTube channels and track up to 300 keywords per channel. That is what you're getting. That's what the pricing is right now that's available. There's 2 different choices. I'll put the links for these choices down in the description for you. But basically, you have brands, $190 per month, $7.90 per month if you pay it per month for a creator program. When you click on the creator program, what you get is this, and then you can decide to pay by the year or switch to per month. So there's savings, however you look at it. And once you change your plan, though, if you cancel or change the plan, the old pricing will go away. You won't be able to start up again. The thing is, it's important to maintain. After you've seen the benefits of Tubics, I think you'll want to keep that program going for your YouTube channel or channels. That was it for the pricing. Let's move back to some more information about Tubics. So in conclusion, as you can see, Tubics is a great tool to have. You can click on the optimization. It looks like this. You can change anything you want in here. And it actually changes it on your YouTube account for you. So up here you can save it once it's set up. The changes you want to have made in here. There's your tags for you can add tags in here as well. In conclusion, I just wanted to say I think this is a great way to increase the clicks on your YouTube videos. And it's a great tool to invest in, to use, to guide you and help you with areas that you need. As you can see, there's your, right here, these are recommendations that are great, and they'll help increase your standings in YouTube. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a first-time visitor, and also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. So long.